So, have you won another contract or are you working on a solicitation and you need to update your NACS codes? Well, guess what? I'm about to show you how. So remember, guys, you can update your NACS code as many times as you want. You can add as many NACS codes as you need necessary to fulfill the solicitation that you're working on. So let's go here to Google. Let's go to sam.gov and let's go update our NACS codes. All right, let's go. So you're going to go to sam.gov. Everybody should know this website, SAM, say it with me, SAM.gov. All right, so in order to update your NACS code, you will have to log in because it's going to be like going through the same process all over again as it was registering your account. So you're going to click accept. It's going to give you your 4-digit code, 266591. All right, submit. And now we're logged in, okay? Well, you should be at your workspace, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're going to act like we're going to register or update our registration. That is how you update your NACS codes, okay? So let's go to active registration. Okay, I am going to, since I already have one in work in progress, what you would normally do is you would click on here and it would say update. You would click on update, but since I already have one in work in progress, I'm going to go right here and click on update. And then it's going to bring me to my registration. Now, guys, remember when you're updating your NACS codes, all you are doing is updating the NACS code. If anything else has changed, you can go ahead and change it. But all you need to do is update the NACS code. So you can just continue and skip everything until you get to the NACS code screen. So let's do that. I'm going to continue. You will have to input your OTP code that they will send you, but we'll show you where that is pretty soon. So we're going to update, save and continue, scroll all the way down, save and continue. See right here, it's going to send you a one-time OTP code. So click on send password. They're going to send it to your email. So now you have to go to your email and you're going to pull up that one-time password, 347516, and then go back in SAM and input it here. Okay. Then once again, you're going to move all the way through the process until you get to that NACS code section. So just save and continue. Save and continue. Unless anything has changed, all you're doing is clicking save and continue. Now, here we are. So guys, just a quick note, the NACS codes are in the assertions. And no, you cannot just skip to the assertions. They're going to make you go through the whole thing. That's why I said just click save and continue. And so now we're getting ready to add our NACS codes. Since I haven't updated mine in a while, I'm just going to add the ones that I'm working on. Now remember, guys, you can add a NACS code as you're working on solicitations or as you win your contracts. I recommend updating them as you're working on solicitations because in my experience, I have actually lost 2 contracts because my NACS codes wasn't updated because I was waiting to win the contract. I'm not doing that again. So I like to update them as I go along. So let's go ahead and do that, right? Now, some of the NACS codes may seem like it's not being added, or some of the NACS code that you're adding may already be in your database. So just to make sure, I put in that NACS code. I'm going to scroll all the way down to make sure that that code is already in here. So it looks like it's already in here because, guys, look, the NACS codes are in order, chronological order, okay? So 33418, 33418. I already had this NACS code in here, okay? So if you're like me and using your contract organizer to keep track of all your NACS codes, then you would be inputting in the NACS codes from the NACS code area, and you'll be going through it as I am now. So go ahead, update your NACS codes, and we'll be right back. The reason why I'm moving the arrow down is because sometimes when you click on add, it looks like it doesn't do anything. So just to make sure that it got inputted, I move the arrow down. So when I click on add, as long as it moves up, whether it accepts it or not, or if I already have it into the system, I know that at least it processed it because it moved. So that's why I'm doing that. So you only need one NACS code. So if you put in the NACS code for janitorial and you put it in, it's not going to put it 3 or 4 times. It's only going to put it once. That's what I did not have. And as you see, when you add them in, the ones you did not have will be at the bottom. So I did not have that one. And I want a contract for that one. Alright guys, that was my last NACS code. So now that we finished adding the NACS code, we're going to continue on into the registration just like we did before. Okay, so you're going to save and continue, and you're just going to keep going through the process. Save and continue through the whole process. If you need to change anything while you're at it, go ahead and do so. But otherwise, if nothing else needs to change, just save and continue on through the whole process. Make sure you click the bottoms if it has I have read or whatever, because if not, it's gonna make you go back. It's gonna send you an OTP code again. Check your email. And congratulations, you have just added and updated your NACS codes. Go back to your workspace and get back to work. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to like and comment and subscribe for more videos.